Okay guys, today I will explain you how to do turns in Latin dances. Let's do it. Okay guys, how to do correct turns. So it's very easy. Close your feet. Now put your arms on your shoulders. And now remember that your turn is always should start from the upper body, from your shoulders. So we have 3 parts. It's going to be your shoulders, your hips and your legs. So this part, which is your shoulder, should always start rotation. Then after the shoulders start, then the hip will continue and then the legs will follow. So let's do this exercise. Close your feet and just swing your shoulders right and left 3 times. Go 1, 2, and on 3, swing your shoulder as much as possible and let your hip follow and legs will catch. So this principle we can use everywhere. So for example, if I stay on my right leg and I would like to step over there to my opposite direction, 180-degree rotation. So I will start with my shoulders and then my hip will catch up and then my leg will follow. So I'll step here. Now if I would like to change direction to my other side, I will swing my shoulders as strong as the hand, the hip will follow and take my leg. So the shoulders turn first, hip second, leg third. What is the common mistake? The common mistake is the people only try to turn from the hip action. So if your shoulder keep flat and you're only turning your hip, your upper body always going to be a little bit late, so it's not very comfortable to turn. Another mistake is when you start to turn in one piece. So your shoulders, hips and body, you keep it in one piece and trying to turn like this. So it looks quite beautiful, but it's not looking flexible enough and it's not very fast, doesn't give you very fast speed of rotation. So remember, so we would like to always turn our shoulders first, then hips, then the leg. Now, as you dance, of course, you don't have time to like stay and 3 times swing it, prepare, and then go. So you have to do it as an ongoing process. So you have to constantly, as you walk, and you know you're going to change direction, start turning your shoulders first. So for example, if I'm going to walk across, I will go my left, right. As I walk, and I'm knowing that I will step there, I will start turning my shoulders already as I'm transferring my weight. So I will not wait until my weight is fully transferred and then start turning shoulders here. As I'm walking there, I'm already swinging, turning my shoulders to here. So as time arrives, I can switch right away. So you see, I'm arriving my leg, split weight position. But normally, if I just continue forward and I have no body weight, no change of direction, I will not charge my shoulders that much. I will just be transferring weight, then collecting foot under my body and moving. But here, because I know I will change my direction there, as I transfer weight, I'm already turning my shoulders here. So shoulders charging, and then the hip catch up with the leg. So as I step and start transferring weight, my shoulders already start changing. What is another point is, which is extremely important for you, is when you do a pivoting action. Or maybe that's going to be a different video. That's going to be another video. Because we want more videos. Потерял мысль. Что это хотел объяснить, блин? Потерял мысль, хотел объяснить. Делаешь сюда. Okay, вспомнил. Okay, so now when we learn how to turn, which was the concept of turning my shoulders first, then the hip follows, then the leg finishing the step. It's very important not only to know how to turn, also to know how to stop yourself after the turn. So let's say if we have that again, the same simple example, 90-degree hip twist rotation, As I transfer my weight, I'm already charging my shoulders to turn. Now here, as my shoulders turning, my hip continue turning. At the end, when I have 90 degree, it's very important to stop yourself with your shoulders rotating to the opposite direction. And that's position we call counter body twist. So it's not only how you turn, you have to stop yourself after that. Because if, let's say, you even follow the correct technique of turning your shoulders, hip, then leg, and if you don't stop yourself at the end, you see that's create a lot of trouble. So, knowing how to turn, we have to immediately learn how to stop ourselves after the turn, and that's very, very big secret. So let's try again this small exercise. We're gonna step forward, split weight position, and as we turn our shoulders to the right, our hip start connecting, start turning. You see my shoulders, hip, now the knees already start touching. Now here, as I do 90 degree, I'm stopping myself. So I have that counter body position, not here, here. And now as I walk forward, and I would like to turn right away this way. So my shoulders already turning to opposite, and then I stop myself again. So as I walk, I'm already start turning myself. And at the end of walk, I'm stopping myself. So turning and stopping is extremely important. Okay, so let's do a little bit exercises for how to turn. So we're gonna do this. Stay on your body weight is on the right leg, left leg has a free leg. As we transfer our weight, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and on 4, we're gonna swing our shoulders, our hip catch up, and most important, we're gonna stop ourselves. And again, 1, 2, 3, and on 4, stop ourselves. 1, 2, 3, stop ourselves. 1, 2, 3, stop ourselves. 1, 2, 3, stop ourselves. Now step, stop. Step, you see, as I'm stepping, I'm already turning my shoulders. Then stopping myself with a counter body twisting motion.